Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the video and PowerPoint fundamentals. Check the video codec, MP4 with H. 264 video and AAC audio is most compatible, so convert if needed. Once done, remove special characters from the file name and place the file on a local drive like C/videos to avoid network lockouts. Also make sure the video resolution matches your slide aspect ratio so PowerPoint won't scale or refuse insertion. Now insert the file using Insert Video this device. Don't use online video for local files. Select the converted MP4 and let PowerPoint import it. Make sure playback is set to the behavior you want, on click for control or automatically for immediate play, and use the trim or volume controls if needed. Decide between embedding and linking. Embed for sharing the PPT, link for very large files to keep file size down. These choices affect portability and performance. Finish by testing the video in slideshow mode. Use presenter view to check audio levels and timing. If the video won't play, update Office and your GPU drivers because outdated software often blocks codecs. Make sure Trust Center settings don't block external content, and save a copy with embedded media for backup. If problems persist, re-encode the clip to a conservative 720p at 5 to 8 megabits per second and try again. This usually resolves stubborn insertion or playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.